G'day guys, short video this week. Now, I clearly spoke too soon. You guys clearly love the videos on the 1 year with Model Y, so thank you very much for the support. I'm here to report my first issue of 2024. Well, the SIM card issue kind of did leak over 2024, but this time we've got an issue with the window alignment. So I'll show you guys the driver side first so you guys can see. So hopefully you guys can see that. So there's a even gap on the rear over here, and then on the front that looks fairly even, right, in terms of the window glass and the alignment to the next piece of glass, and then that plastic bit in between. So watch what happens if I open the door. So that obviously comes down, and then you open the door and then you're okay. And then when I close it, I'll hold it a bit closer so you guys can see. So that's okay. That all sits there, then that sits flush, and again, that's all flush. Now let's come across to the other side. So look at this side, and I've only just noticed this over the past couple of days. So you can see on this right hand side here, that looks all even over here. And then over here, you can see up close. Let's see how close we can get the camera. So up here you can see that's almost touching the glass over here, and then if I pull out the camera, you can see that this gap here, as we go further up, gets smaller and smaller and smaller to the point where it's nearly hitting. Now we'll do the same thing and watch what happens when I open the door. So you can see that the overlap over here essentially touches or hits this piece of glass now. So from an alignment side, you can see it actually does drop a bit more than in the other video. So when I open the door, it's fine, but if I close it, you'll see, and you may notice, I'll see if I can do a replay of that slowly. I think it might potentially be hitting this or just really close up to it. So again, it's a double pane glass over here, and yeah, the alignment's wrong. So if I close it properly, that's essentially how it looks like. Now fingers crossed nothing happens over the next however long it is until I've booked the service, but I have booked it. I think it's for the first week of April. Really easy through the app. I'll show you guys, I'll put an overlay of how quick and easy it was to be booked, and they have booked it for a mobile service appointment. So keen to hear from you guys if you've had this issue before and how quick it was solved for you guys, but it is an alignment issue. Hopefully it's just an easy fix. They have said that it's okay to be a mobile appointment at this point in time, so hopefully quick and easy fix, and then off we go. Thankfully nothing mechanical, not at this point in time anyway. And yeah, hope you guys are well. We'll see you soon with some more updates on this one.